Good day everyone, myself Tripti Mishra. Today we are going to discuss class 8th, chapter number 5, Coal and Petroleum. This is part 4 video in which we will discuss about natural gas and conservation of natural resources. Our first topic is natural gas. Natural gas is a very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. Natural gas is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. In the short, it is called CNG. So, CNG and LPG is widely used in our daily life. In the picture also it is shown the natural gas in the form of CNG used in cylinders and also LPG in the kitchens. So first of all we will discuss about the characteristics of natural gas. Natural gas is actually a less polluting, cleaner fuel. The great advantage of CNG is that it can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi and other places. India has vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, natural gas has been found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. So, the important points which we can write for the natural gases are: first, it is a very crucial fossil fuel. Next, it is a clean and non-toxic energy source. Next, it is a colorless and odorless gas. Next, it is very convenient to transport it through pipelines. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. It is composed of many gases of which methane is the most significant. It is less polluting and it is inexpensive than any other fuel. Now we will discuss about the uses of natural gas. CNG is used for power generation. It is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. So, in this points we can write natural gas in the form of compressed natural gas CNG is used for power generation. It is also used as a fuel of automobiles and vehicles. It can be directly used for burning and hence finds extensive use at home in cooking cylinders and industries for generation energy. It is used as a starting material in many industries like manufacturing chemicals and fertilizers. Here in the picture you can observe a CNG driven automobile which is very less polluting, cleaner fuel. Now our next topic is initiative to conserve natural resources. You have studied in the beginning of the chapter that some natural resources are exhaustible like fossil fuels, forests, minerals, etc. Now we know that coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. It required the dead organisms millions of years to get converted into these fuels. On the other hand, the known reserves of these will last only a few hundred years. Moreover, burning of these fuels is a major cause of air pollution. Their use is also linked to global warming. It is therefore necessary that We use these fuels only when absolutely necessary. This will result in better environment, smaller risk of global warming, and their availability for a longer period of time. So, here the important points we can write: fossil fuels are exhaustible and takes millions of years to renew themselves. Therefore, it is our prime responsibility to use these fuels sustainably. Moreover, excessive use of these resources pollutes the environment. Burning of excess carbon content fuels leads to air pollution, which in turn has chain of adverse effects associated with it, like global warming, acid rain, etc. Petroleum Conservation Research Association, which is called PCRA, is a non-profit national government agency affianced in endorsing every recommending policies and tactics for conservation of petroleum targeted at descending extensive requirement of oil. Now here we will also study about PCRA and its advices. PCRA is actually, the full form is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA advises people how to save petrol or diesel while driving. Their tips are: drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Next, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. Next, ensure correct tire pressure. Next is ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. So that are the advices of PCRA for conservation of natural resources like petrol and diesel. So friends, in this video I discussed about the natural gas, how it is environmental friendly, then how we are using natural gas at our homes and in the industries, and then we discussed about the conservation of natural resources, and also we studied about advices of PCRA. Now in the next video I will discuss about the exercise questions of this chapter. So if this video is beneficial for you, please share the video with your other classmates and also subscribe my YouTube channel NCERT Science Mantra. Thanks for watching the video.